Hi, I'm Dr. Ram. Today I am there to enlighten you about the common diseases you might be getting in rainy season and the precautions you need to take. Rainy season, you are more prone for all kind of viral illnesses, some kind of bacterial illnesses, and some parasitic diseases even. So, what should you do to get rid of these problems? And what should you follow to have decreased frequency of the seasonal problems what you might face? First of all, every person should have a sound sleep. Person who sleeps 7 hours a day, continuous sleep without any breakage in the sleep, without any fractured sleep, will have better health than the people who tend to have fractured sleep. Secondly, you need to take high protein diet like egg, milk, etc. And you need to take a lot of fruit diet rich in vitamin C and zinc. Vitamin C and zinc will protect the epithelial lining in the airways, so that when you have cold, the severity of the problem can be reduced. So what kind of food contains vitamin C and zinc? Usually vitamin C and zinc is more present in citrus fruits, and any other fruits, usually it is more present in citrus fruits. And thirdly, you need to be hygienic. Whenever you get drenched in a rain, immediately come home and take bath, and try to keep your hair as dry as possible. And fourthly, you need to maintain good exercises, good physical fitness. People who tend to go for 1 hour gym a day will have decreased frequency of the seasonal problems. For example, if you take my case, I will be having less than once in a year about this cough, cold, or any other kind of problems. So on the whole, have good diet which is rich in protein, lot of citrus fruits, maintain good hygiene, and go for good exercise. If you follow this, the frequency of the problems what you might be facing, especially in the rainy season, will come down. And when should you get alert about any problem? Usually cough, cold is the commonest problem what you face, and secondly diarrheal illnesses, thirdly other bacterial infections where you have high fever and jaundice. So when you have cough and cold, you keep your body hydrated properly. So people who have cough and cold and fever tend to have more dehydration. Because they have bad taste, so their intake will come down. Because of high temperature, their body tends to be dehydrated. It is because of this dehydration you might face all the complications. So have plenty of fluids. Even if you don't eat enough food, that's not a problem, but have plenty of fluids, especially fruits, lot of buttermilk and lot of milk, even coconut water. And whenever there is breathlessness or fall in blood pressure, that is a danger sign. Then that's the time to get admitted. Otherwise, when you have cough and cold, when you don't have these kind of problems like breathlessness or fall in blood pressure, then don't go for any kind of investigation. Take symptomatic medicines from your nearest doctor, and keep your body hydrated as possible. And when it comes to the other kind of problems, like jaundice, especially jaundice, if it is because of virus, mostly jaundice comes through viral hepatitis, then keep your body with proper hydration and maintain your blood sugar levels at high range. Means have plenty of fruit juices. Whenever you don't feel hepatitis bad, when you feel like vomiting, have plenty of juices. Once your hunger is fine, when you feel like eating, eat food rich in protein, so that the recovery of the liver is enhanced. And when you have high grade fever, consult your nearest doctor and try to decrease the temperature, the frequency of the fever spikes as low as possible. And sometimes there will be problems because of viruses like dengue and any other kind of virus, where the platelet count might fall and people tend to land in multi-organ dysfunction. Those kind of problems, don't panic. And transfusing platelets for case of dengue is never helpful. It is rarely helpful unless you are actually bleeding. So even that cases, try to keep the body as hydrated as possible and take symptomatic treatment. Majority of the times the problems comes subsides. To know more details about myths and facts and more details about any other health aspects, subscribe to my channel and follow on to my Facebook.